Next question ay, there are only two types of traffic signs of the shape shown in figure. Shape. Anong shape ba yan? Triangle. Slow down and stop. So, yun. Basahin natin ulit. There are only two types of traffic signs of the shape shown in figure. Slow down and stop. So, yung inverted na triangle na yan, ano ba yung traffic sign na yan? Kapag nakita natin yung inverted na traffic sign na yan. So, kahit nakatalikod yung traffic sign, makita natin triangle na nakabaliktad. Alam na natin dalawa lang yung traffic sign na yan. Sa harap, makikita natin dalawa lang yan. Either slow down or stop. Pero usually, yan ay stop. Makikita natin sa daanan. Di na tayo makakita ng ganyang sign na slow down. Usually, kapag nasa national road, sa public road, stop talaga yung naka-invert na triangle. And then, mayroon din slow down minsan, pero usually, makikita yan sa mga loob ng company, sa company roads. Yun, makikita yan, slow down talaga. Company roads. Slow down. Pero pag nasa public roads, stop talaga yung inverted na triangle. So, kaya ang sagot ay, syempre, true na naman. Yan, true. So, dalawa lang ang ibig sabihin daw dyan. There are only two types of traffic signs sa inverted triangle. Slow down and stop. So, it's true.